I'm going to show you how to fix the 3 possible Spinitron errors that will appear on your playlist for your show if it's automatically identifying your songs. To make any changes to your Spinitron playlist, you're going to want to go to spinitron.com and log in. When you first log in, you're going to see your latest playlist listed. So likely that's the one you're going to want to check with. You'll see a list of songs, and one of the mistakes I've spotted here is error number 1. The hour started with the Ray Charles song. And you can see there's no entry here before 4:06. So I'm going to click Edit Playlist. On the next page, I'm not going to change anything. I'm going to quickly scroll to the bottom of the page and click Submit. And then I'll see a list of songs from the last one to the first one. To enter a song, I'm going to start filling in the information at the top. I'm going to start typing Ray Charles as the artist, and you'll notice as I start typing, it's going to start giving me choices. I ignore them at the beginning and keep typing, but as I get further into the name, I see Ray Charles there, so I'm going to click on his name. Now I'm going to enter the song. It was What Did I Say, Parts 1 and 2. It gives me a lot of choices, and I could start clicking through these and see if it shows the album I'm looking for. But instead, what I'm going to do in this case is put the album name next. Now it will list only the songs that appear on that album. Sometimes Spinitron won't find the information at all. In that case, make sure you enter the artist, song, album, song duration, and label. Finally, I need to put the time it started. I know it played right before the second song of the hour, which started at 4:06:43. What's nice about this is it will calculate the ending time so you can get pretty close. When you got it right, click Submit, and you should see it in the right spot in the playlist, which is where it is. So I've just solved error number 1. I've not seen a lot of error number 2s, where it puts in a totally different song. But in this case, let's pretend it wasn't really Van Morrison's version of the song, but Hank Snow's original. In that case, what I would do first is make a note of the time that I'll use for the start time when I enter the Hank Snow version. Then I'm going to go over here to the right and click the delete icon, which is the trash can. It will ask you to confirm, which I won't do in this case since it was the Van Morrison song that played. But if it was the Hank Snow version, I would start entering the song information up here. It's important to enter in that start time I noted before. Let me quickly show you how you would correct the third error, when it's close to correct, but one of the details are either incorrect or you'd prefer it to be something different. For example, this song by the Lemonheads. The artist and the song is correct. I want the Lemonheads album that it appeared on to be represented here. To do that, I'll go over here on the right and click on the pencil icon, which means to edit. I'm going to erase the IRSC number, uncheck the album picture, clear the album, and if I don't see a list of songs, I'm going to clear that as well. Click the album I'm looking for, and click Submit. So that's how you fix the 3 most common Spinitron errors when it automatically identifies the song for you. Hope that's helpful to you. Thanks for your help, and thanks for watching.